Here is the next video about the evil act of police department. Eventually they end up paying this guy almost $500,000, but the money goes from the taxpayers' pocket, and once again they don't get any charges and they just set free to do the same fucking thing again and again.
Him being treated by paramedics, his face badly disfigured from what Bailey's attorneys describe as a beating by LA County deputy sheriffs who from work.
He works for a private company that sorts mail for the U.S. Postal Service, so he is an essential worker. He was wearing his work uniform. He was minutes from home.
The area is patrolled by Inglewood police, but it was LA County sheriffs that stopped them, according to the complaint, for straddling the northbound lane. Bailey says he complied. The two deputies say he didn't. 4 other deputies showed up, and at some point, bystanders with cell phones.
He doesn't even look human.
They provided this video, which included deputies with blood on them, to Bailey's attorneys, who say the blood is only from their client. Reading from the sheriff's own report,
he sustained 64 to 86 total body and face hits. He was pummeled in the face approximately 35 to 44 times. He was kneed 10 to 12 times. He sustained 14 to 20 punches to the rib cage and upper abdomen,
plus taser burns and fractures to his face, including the orbital of his eye, which Bailey explains is permanently damaged.
I really can't put into words.
Yeah, that's not a beating. That looks.
The sheriff's department, is this their first action on this?
Now, this is the first action on the civil action, on the lawsuit. They were dealing with the fact, the same law firm, Cochran's, was dealing with the fact that he had been charged criminally. Dealing with that first. They got that down to the traffic violation, and that's when they decided they were going to go with this lawsuit right now. So all they had heard was related to that action, nothing else.
Law enforcement keeping tight-lipped, sealed. They're not saying nothing. What about us as the public? We want to, know our public servants are.
And what I've been going through.
The sheriff's department reacting with a short statement saying that all use of force incidents which result in injury are unfortunate, and due to this pending litigation and under advice of counsel, we are unable to further any details or to offer any details. We have asked them and have not gotten a response as to whether this is being investigated. Where are the deputies? There are 6 of them named, at least in the paperwork I saw. Whether they're still on duty, we're not even being told if there is a body cam video. So we'll have to keep you updated on this. At this point, a pretty big civil rights lawsuit. I'm Christina Gonzalez in Inglewood. Back to you in the studio. SoFi reconstruction, and it came to happen right behind us where you see the blue fence. It wasn't there back then, as you'll see in video that we have of the aftermath. We do not have video at this point of the actual event, but initially he was charged with felony resisting, a charge that was diminished to a traffic violation. Here's what he has to say.
I was screaming out. I wanted to live. I really feared for my life. I thought I was going to die.
Christopher Bailey remembering May 4th last year.
Oh my God.
Phone video shows him being treated by paramedics, his face badly disfigured from what Bailey's attorneys describe as a beating by LA County deputy sheriffs who had stopped them on Prairie Avenue near Hardy in Inglewood.
His attorney described that as a beating.
Him being treated by paramedics, his face badly disfigured from what Bailey's attorneys describe as a beating by LA County deputy sheriffs who